Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Instagram username in just a few simple steps. Whether you're looking for a fresh start or just want something new, I have got you covered. So let's dive right in. First, open up the Instagram app on your phone. And once you are on Instagram, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you are on your profile, tap on Edit Profile right under your bio. Alright, now tap on the username field. This is where you can type in your new username. Remember, your username needs to be unique. No one else can have the same one. And once you are done, tap on the tick mark at the top right corner of the screen. And that's it. Changing your Instagram username is super easy and only takes a few steps. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.